Let's see if I still remember how to do this. What's going on, people? It's your man D-Hydrate. It's been a minute. I think at least a year. If not a year, it's been pretty much almost a year since my last video. Lots happened. In a nutshell, make the long story short, I bought a house. Thank you. I appreciate it. Long process. Anybody who's done it, you already know. If you ain't done it yet, get ready. It is a long process, and then we had some other stuff going on that made it probably longer than other people. But yeah, that is done and over with. So happy to finally be done with that process, and now we have to get unpacked. Yes, we moved in, but now we gotta get unpacked. So, anyways, I am back in the studio. I've been in the studio this entire time. Crazy, right? Yeah, I haven't really taken a break at all, except for a brief week in Disney, which some of you saw if you follow me on social media. That was awesome. The magic of Mickey. Yeah, he's not in here. Daughter took him. Happens. But yeah, so I've been making some upgrades, and I've got a list of upgrades that I'll be doing this year. And one of those things is going to be this entire situation right here is going to be moving. Yes, this desk is going to move over there in the corner. I'll turn the camera and show y'all that in a second. But yeah, I'm going to be moving the desk.
Sorry, I can't search the web on Apple Watch.
Not talking to you, Siri. Yes. So the desk is going to be moving. Going to finally get it long ways in the room because I need to hear better for the mixes. I've been getting a lot more mix projects, which is awesome. But I also have noticed that, got a little work to do in here. It's not to where I want it to be for my listening purposes and for my mixes. So I'm going to be tweaking it and starting with this desk moving. And so we've also got a new monitor controller. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So that's gonna be the first thing getting switched out once I move the desk. And if you want to just go ahead and skip ahead to when I unbox that, if you click on this link right here, you can go ahead and check out that unboxing of my new monitor controller. I won't tell you here what that is. You'll have to go and look at the video to find out. Or if you follow me on social media, then you probably already know. So yeah, we're going to finish bouncing a couple of files here, and then we're going to get started on moving this guy out of the way so we can shift it over there. And another thing that's going to happen is I think I'm going to have to take all of these racks out of the desk because the cables that go from the booth, drum booth here to my patch bay are a set length, and I am not soldering anything right now, and I don't want to buy additional cables right now. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna take everything out of this rack. I've got this secondary rack over here that's a rolling rack that I can put everything in. So I'm probably just gonna shift everything out of the desk rack and put it into this rolling rack. That way I'll still keep my patch bay cords happy with not being stretched out too far, and then I will be able to still set up over there and do what I need to do as far as getting my new mixing situation acquainted. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned. What's going on, people? So as you can see, it's another day, actually. I got a haircut, different outfit. That's been moved. So I did complete that. It used to be sitting right there, And now it is over there. I've got the new monitor controller in the rack over here. I've done some preliminary tests, but not really anything. I got a mess of stuff down here that I have to deal with. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this, and y'all just keep watching, and yeah, we'll talk a little bit later.